Are you tired of working for someone else? Maybe you're ready to retire because you've been in your career for 15, 20, 25 years. I'm here to let you know you can change that. You can get off the hamster wheel. Listen up. So I'm a digital marketer and I had no skill, no experience, no followers when I started. But what I did is I took action and I started. I put my head down and I learned a skill on how to make money online. Now, I've tried many different things and I used to actually do affiliate marketing. But here recently, in the last probably 3 months, I came across a product that you can actually purchase the product, a one-time purchase, and you can own the product because it has master resale rights connected to it. That means you can brand yourself, you can make it your own, you can put your own colors, your own logo, whatever you want to do with this product. You just can't edit the main digital product, but you can add to it, create your own community around it. Now again, I had no experience, no following, no education, but I learned the skill. And now guys, I am making money in my sleep because what they teach you is the skill to be a digital marketer, how to market products, and no shipping, no inventory, no customer service, no bothering friends, families, anything like that. You literally learn the skill on how to monetize social media, market this product, and earn 100% of the commission because it is yours. And you can literally set it and automate it to where it's working for you 24/7. So you're actually working 1.5 to 2 hours a day, and that is amazing, especially when you start earning those commissions every single day, and especially when you're out, like maybe at the grocery store, you're sleeping and you wake up and it's like, oh, you earned your commission. And guys, I'm here to teach you. I'm here to mentor you and show you how it's done. Don't be afraid, because as long as you stick to it and don't quit, you can be successful. And you guys probably think this video is kind of funny because I'm sitting here in my scrubs at work, but I'm here to let you know I am on the path. I'm paving my path to quit my healthcare job. So just follow me and watch my journey, or lock arms with me so you can quit your job when I quit mine. So